Elite. Elite. That's how we say it. The elite have all the money. You might notice that I'm not pronouncing the t very much. This is because it gets stopped. It gets cut off when you say it. Elite. Think of the word fight. Fight. This is a common thing that we do in English. We cut off that T sound. Another example would be kitten. Kitten. We don't say kitten, we say kitten. Kitten. It gets cut off. Same with elite. If you're speaking very slowly, you could pronounce it. I want to be a part of an elite group of individuals with wonderful mustaches. But we usually don't speak that slowly unless we're trying to sound fancy. So elite, elite, elite. It's going to get cut off like that. The first sound is an sound. And then la 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 la. You should know that one. Leet, leet. So that I actually sounds like a long E. E. Elite, 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 elite. That's it. That is how we say it.